Hey, in this video, I'm going to give you my honest physical therapist review of the IronMan ActivIce Topical Cooling Spray. The main active ingredient in this is menthol at 8%, but it's also got some other soothing agents as the label reads, including eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil. The label reads that this is for use with simple backaches, sprains, strains, arthritis relief, and bruises. Now, just so that you know what menthol is derived from the mint plant. So it's a natural ingredient, as well as peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil, the other ingredients that are in here, although it doesn't list those as active ingredients. Menthol is a common ingredient in many topical sprays and creams. Topical just means it goes on your skin, so other pain creams or sprays that you would put on your skin for relief, menthol is very commonly found in those, and it gives a cooling effect. It has a nice minty odor to it, and sometimes it's really strong, sometimes not so much. The most common brand out there that uses menthol is probably going to be your BioFreeze. Now, there are research studies that support menthol as a pain relieving substance, so this is research backed stuff. Now, there isn't a ton of research and it doesn't like take away pain completely, but it is shown to reduce pain to some degree so that you can fight off sore muscles, back strains, pain from arthritis, and sprains and strains. Now, let's talk about how to use the IronMan ActivIce cooling spray. Now, it does say that it's not for use with children 12 years and under, and you definitely don't want to spray it on any eyes or any openings of your body whatsoever. It is going to burn. It's not going to feel good. It is only for skin, and you don't want to put it on your hands directly unless that's the part that you're trying to address, because then you might end up touching your eyes or face or somewhere where it's not supposed to go, and it's not going to feel very good. Now, there's no need to rub it in. You just spray it over the affected area, and it says you can spray it up to 4 times daily. So here's how it looks. You just take off the top there and set it down, and you have a spray nozzle. There it is right there. Simple button on here. So let's say I'm going to spray my arm. All you do is that right there. It starts to dry up on its own, so there's no need to rub it in. You don't need to touch it ever. That's the whole point of the spray bottle. It's running down just a little bit here. I'm just going to let it finish drying off. There's this top edge is drying off. This little bit is running down. And that's it. You would just spray it on any affected area. Super easy. It doesn't dry as fast as the other ones, but there it is. It's drying pretty good. And it's already giving me a cooling effect. Now, I do need to tell you, I can taste it. I can taste the mint in it. And it does also say that it's got citrus oil or citric acid, so it does taste a little citrusy, but it smells pretty good. It's not an overwhelming pungent smell. I mean, it's got a menthol smell for sure, but it doesn't smell bad in my opinion. I like menthol, so I don't really mind this smell at all. Now, let me give you my honest opinion about this ActivIce IronMan, and it's by Curad, by the way. There's a little tiny logo for Curad right there. And this stuff is pretty cool. I think it's great that you can spray it on. You don't have to rub it in with your hands. This is fantastic for somebody dealing with arthritis. If you're looking for some low-level, some entry-level pain relief product that's still kind of natural. It's not really like a product that's made from chemicals in a lab, like your ibuprofens and your high-power pain medications that are prescribed by doctors. So this is a good place to start out to see if you can get enough relief from this. If you're dealing with a chronic pain problem like arthritis, for instance, osteoarthritis, this is not going to take away your pain, but it might take the edge off enough for you to get some sleep, to get some rest, or be able to get through your day. The cooling effect is really nice, and it's already all dried up. I don't want to touch it because I'm going to get it in my eyes, but it feels nice and cool on my arm, and it's already giving me a different sensation, which is what you want out of these topical pain relievers. If you're looking for more options, because you're going to definitely want to try out different pain relievers, different topical pain relievers, we've got a playlist of all the products we reviewed here on this channel. It's linked in the description below. We've reviewed products like Bengay, Icy Hot, Voltaren, and many, many others, so you can go check that out. But as I said, with the IronMan ActivIce, this is just a short-term pain relief. It's not going to solve the root problem. Here on this channel, we're focused on helping people stay healthy, active, and mobile while avoiding unnecessary surgeries, injections, and pain medications. So we focus on that heavily. We've got playlists on this channel focused on treating things like knee arthritis, back problems like disc herniations, and many other detailed problems. You can find a link to our playlist section where you can find specific playlists for those videos down in the description below here. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.